Okay, not every workout should be a heavy lifting day, but a lot of people don't know how to recognize when their body is asking for a different approach. Now, on my last video, I briefly dabbled into panic training, right? We are approaching spring very quickly. We are 14 days out, and this is when we typically notice a lot of panic training, ego lifting, and I want to dive into those details and give you three signs that your body is probably signaling that you could be missing, because a lot of people think lifting, if they're not lifting heavy, they're not making progress. But in all actuality, depending on where you are in your journey, that can be counteractive to your results. And your body will give signals to let you know you need to lower that intensity, but are you recognizing them? Let's jump into the details. Number one, your coordination may feel off. So, honestly, guys, the weight doesn't necessarily have to be heavy for you to notice that awkwardness or that instability while moving a certain volume, right? So, it can also feel like your timing is delayed. And a lot of times, this is your nervous system asking you to gain more control versus pushing out max effort. I see it quite often when women squat or do Bulgarian splits, and I get it because we are wanting to keep our curves or wanting to build curves, right? And feel sexy and great and strong. But this may be a time where your body is calling for a slower tempo, lighter reps or weights, and focusing more on stability so that your body is able to feel safe. And what does safety mean? You're able to build that consistency. You're able to show up repetitively for yourself. Another signal is when your normal weight, your normal working weight, starts to feel unusually heavy. And you might have lifted 135 pounds last week, right? And I mean, it feels completely different under the bar today. I'm gonna give you an example. Last week, you squat 135 pounds for several sets, many reps. You feel solid. You know what I mean? You got this in the bag. But today, when you approach the bar, you do your warm up, you set up your weights, and now all of a sudden you feel shaky. Now all of a sudden you notice that you're moving slower than normal, and it's much harder to control. Well, a lot of people immediately assume I need to push harder, or maybe they're having a weak day. They'll add more effort, they'll force more reps, they'll even increase the weight because they feel pressure to keep progressing. But in all actuality, that sudden drop in strength is often a signal that your recovery capacity is even lower this day. So maybe you didn't get an adequate amount of sleep the night before, or maybe you weren't able to get enough fuel or food into your body to manage that load, right? There could be tons of variables which your body responds in this way. But your job is to listen, right? To respond intelligently so that you stay in the game, you're not injured, so on and so forth. So instead of forcing the intensity, this is a better day to shift your stimulus. So you may want to lower the weight a little or slower your tempo so that you are focusing more on quality and controlled movements. You're still training, you're just not working against your body, you're working with your body. Third signal is when everything in your workout feels forced. Your breathing feels shallow, your body feels tense. It's really not coming together, right? You're pushing harder, but you're not flowing through your session like you normally do. Well, this is typically your body saying, hey, I want you to focus on movement quality versus intensity. And honey, let me tell you personally, I do have these days sporadically pop up because in my experience, I have noticed that they typically fall on days where I have high emotional loads, right? Where stress is out of the norm. And I will go in the gym or approach this workout session thinking I'm going to kill it, but my body is not responding. It gives me that feeling very similar to when you have skipped a meal or you waited too long to eat, right? Well, you actually feel like I can eat a whole cow, but once you get that plate in front of you, you're not able to consume what you would have normally been able to consume, right? So it's very similar to that feeling. Your body is telling you, "Hey, right now I just want to focus on form, right? I don't need intensity." And again, this goes back to my system capacity based training, not fighting your body, not working against it, creating that resistance, but working with your body. So, doing some body weight training that day doesn't delay your progress. Okay. Not lifting heavy will not delay your progress. If anything, it increases your progress because you still allow that safety time, that recovery time, so that when you are able to get back in and push those heavier loads, you can do it at maximum capacity, maximum effort. Training intelligently doesn't mean that you're avoiding those hard or challenging workouts. What it does mean is that you're recognizing when your body is ready to push versus when it needs a different stimulus. And when you learn to adjust intensity, something interesting happens. Well, your workouts become more sustainable and your body recovers better. So instead of constantly restarting your routine, you actually are able to stay consistent. Now, if you're someone who feels stuck in the cycle of starting over or in survival mode, I've created a 7-day reset that not only helps you build structure, but consistency step by step. I'll leave the link below in the description box. Until next time, my friends.